Hi everyone, welcome to Techie Hobbies. So today's video is how I got duped with a fake Fortis watch. So this is a very limited edition, supposed to be a limited edition Fortis GMT calculator watch called B47. So I thought I really bagged this watch in a super good deal. But of course it's not true, because if the deal is too good to be true, then it probably is. So this is what has happened with me, and I'm putting up this video as an informative video so that you guys should not get fooled or duped by anyone, any seller, even if it is a reputed seller, even if he is a collector, doesn't matter. So be careful when you are buying watches. So this is one of lessons. It is hard earned lesson, because I have lost money and I'm trying to recover it. I have still not received it back. So he's given a deadline and I'm waiting for that. So but in that time I thought I will show you some of the identifiers wherein you can spot that this is not an original Fortis watch. This is supposed to be a fake Fortis watch, right? So starting with the watch, firstly the B47 comes only as automatic. So when I unboxed this watch, I saw the second hand is sticking, and I immediately realized that this is a quartz watch. So that again do because I was not told that it is a quartz or an automatic, and I took it. It was obvious that for me that it is an automatic watch, because this model only comes in automatic. But when I opened the box and I saw the second hand ticking, that itself made me realize that something is wrong or something is fishy. And the next part, overall build quality, if you look, just have a look at the bezel, how it is shaking. And there is no bezel action, zero bezel action for this watch, which I'm like, I didn't know what to say about this. See how it is shaking, and there is no clicks. Like usually it comes with 120 clicks, or if it is a bad quality watch, maybe 60 clicks. But in this case, there is no clicks at all. It's a smooth running bezel, which I was also kind of taken aback. I didn't know what to understand from that, but maybe I thought maybe okay, it might be like this, I don't know. But yeah. And the next part here is, so if you see the Oris crown here, in the crown, this is kind of not how it should be. It is the real Fortis crown looks a bit different. I'll share pictures so you can make out from the finish and the way the crown is, that it is not supposed to look like this. So it is supposed to look little different from this. So I'll share that in the screenshot. And the next thing, that the GMT hand, there was no setting to change that. I can see that there is a setting to change the time, and there is a setting to change the date. So that okay, here I can, but there is no 3 clicks, only 2 clicks, and I couldn't change the GMT hand to another setting. But GMT hand was moving with the hour. So GMT is working, although it's a quartz, and inner bezel rotation also is working. I am not sure that the B47 has this like this way, but yeah, this is another thing. The GMT hand was also kind of not like not the way it should be working. And then the next thing is regarding the movement. I opened and checked the movement. I'll put a picture again. That movement turned out to be Miota movement. So Fortis, being a luxury Swiss brand, I don't think they use a Miyota quartz movement. The movement came out as a GMT quartz movement, but still it doesn't make sense that Fortis uses it. I will put the movement number as well on the screen. And then the next point here is the reference number here, 660.10.148. So there is no watch with this reference. So the real watch B47 has 666.10.148 for the automatic version of this watch, and this watch has a reference which doesn't exist, or I couldn't find it online, the reference. So that is another straight giveaway. And then okay, one thing I would like to thank Ajay Nayak for really pointing out the differences which I am stating in the video. It's not my findings, actually most of them are findings from Ajay himself, so I would like to thank him for this. And yeah, and now the final one, which is funny. If you see this, Fortis has this degree to Fahrenheit conversion here, comes in Fortis watches, and here you can see that the 60 is aligned with 130. So it is supposed to be aligned with 140. And this I'll again put in a picture which compares with the original, again post given to me by Ajay, so you can have a look at that as well. And overall the build quality is also not good. The dial seemed pretty good, which is why I fell for it, because in the photos you see the you look at the dial and you see that it's looking good, and that's how you fall for these. And fire, like, it has this Fortis buckle, but again the strap is not the original one. Of course the whole watch is fake, so why should the strap be original? And I think the strap has been changed, maybe, because yeah, overall this is pretty much it. So, to rest my case, I sent an email to Fortis company directly. Yes, the Fortis company based in Switzerland. So I have they have replied to me saying that to send pictures of the watch, to which I replied them back. You can see I have shared all pictures including the movement pictures. So to that they replied again saying that we have discussed this internally and they can confirm that this is a counterfeit. So definitely now it's proven that the watch is a counterfeit. So I hope you guys find this video useful. Do let me know your feedback in comments, and please share and share this video to maximum people so that they can be aware about such things, that even collectors get fooled or duped. So please be cautious. Do like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.